My name is Michael Powell-Brett. I'm a civil engineer. I've been using Powerproject since 1986. I came to Midland Oak all those years ago. I'm not a planner. I started life, I was a construction manager and used it as part of my work. It's so easy to use, you don't have to have a separate planning department. And it's best to do it yourself anyway, because then you know what's going on if you do your own planning. The unique thing about Powerproject is, as far as I know, no other user, is having more than one activity on the same line. That's the big thing. I've used lots of other packages, Deltek, Primavera, Microproject, and they don't have that ability. The ability to drag and drop codes is fantastic, simple, and the multiple views at once is great, and printing sizes. I reckon if I did the same in Primavera, not only would I produce much worse stuff, it would take me 4 times longer. I think Powerproject is about a quarter the time to do it, and it works. It just works. Very important when you're planning a project to get the attention of anyone you must have one bit of paper. Once you lose the bit of paper presentation, it goes. You have to have one bit of paper, and I spend my life doing that. The project, I'm on the second largest job in London at the moment. I'm the programme officer. 30 kilometres of tunnels, not Crossrail. You've never heard of it. 30 kilometres of tunnel, 14 shafts, 10 different work streams, major work streams, all at different stages of maturity. And the programme size at the moment in Primavera is over 14,000 items. Junk. It's complete. If I printed it out in A3, just short of 98 metres of A3. You can't. So what happens is you have something on site. A bit of trenchway, it would need designing. You either put all your items together, then you look elsewhere and page 1 out of 100 for the leading items, or in Powerproject, of course, it's all on one line. You have all the leadings on one line, so you immediately know what's going on. In Powerproject, I have 8 major views, one of each of the main substation sites, and one for tunnels, one for cables, and a couple of others, and that if you were in charge, you would not need to know any more detail than that. All the rest is junk. It's people, if you can't monitor it, you shouldn't program it. And the trouble is Primavera encourages, and Deltek, encourages you to just put more and more items in.